Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Stories from an Educator. In this series, I share a story that took place in my career in education, what I learned from it, and how it can be applied to you. When I taught high school world history, I had a student express their displeasure with me through a vocal outburst. When that student shared their feelings so directly with me, I was frozen. I did not respond. Looking back on this experience, it was good that I did not respond in the moment. However, if I grew through something similar in the present, I know how imperative it is to follow up with the student so that their emotions can be addressed in a healthy manner. Students need to know that if they express their true emotions, they still have a safe space with you. However, that does not mean you have to simply hold all of your feelings in so as not to cause anyone any distress. It is important to share your experiences so you can regulate your own emotions. I've had children cry when I've taught, as well as become sick. It can be stressful. Your students, no matter what age they are, will have emotional reactions in the classroom. Furthermore, you are allowed to share those experiences with trusted colleagues so that you can be emotionally healthy as well. Keep in mind to share those experiences in such a way as to protect the student's privacy. Remember, you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.